Hello everyone and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Hi Sister Circle, glad to be taking part in your corn on the cob challenge. So when Denise Jordan said fresh corn, I was a bit worried because fresh corn is more common in winters in my part of the world. There is no snow here and winters are abundant with vegetables here. I wanted to join the party with you all, so I told Denise I shall definitely come over if I find corn at my grocer's. Anyways, I would have come to fish some more recipes too. Now this is made at home but best enjoyed when while strolling out on the streets in winters packed in warm woolens and you spot this man sitting with a small charcoal oven called angiti and a bag full of corns. You choose your corn and he cleans the husk and lightly roasts it over the flaming coal. Just listen to the sound. Next, he rubs fresh lime dipped in powdered rock salt and hands the corn with its own stalk as handle to eat. At home, you can enjoy this with some Indian masala chai. Hot in cold weather. The roasted crunchy crust and then you bite into the juicy, soft, well-formed yet soft corn and the taste of lime juice on your lips, the flavored saltiness of rock salt on the tip of your tongue. Mmm, too good. Okay, now that we are enjoying lovely snacks with tea, I want to take this opportunity to invite you all to join in the Useful DIY Challenge on 24th July. The invitation is on my channel and thank you all for coming over. See you soon.